Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a power steering pump. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported and the engine is cool. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. You'll need a 13mm wrench, a 10mm socket, a drain pan, and about 1 liter of new power steering fluid. Begin by locating the power steering reservoir and placing your drain pan underneath to catch the old fluid. Now, let's remove the old pump. Use a line wrench to carefully disconnect the high-pressure line and the return hose from the pump. Be prepared for some fluid spillage. Next, locate and remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the pump in place. These are typically 12mm or 14mm bolts. Once all bolts are out, gently maneuver the old pump free from its mounting bracket. With the old pump out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new power steering pump with its mounting bracket on the engine. Insert and hand-tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts first, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the high-pressure line and the return hose, ensuring all connections are snug to prevent leaks. Finally, let's get your system ready. Fill the power steering reservoir to the full cold mark with the manufacturer-recommended fluid, typically about 750 milliliters. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock about 10 to 15 times to bleed air from the system. Recheck the fluid level and top off as needed. Inspect all connections for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.